Today we are going to be talking about contractions, and we're going to look at 3 different contractions. So I am going to write some words on the screen. Okay, I want you to think about the words you see on the screen. What does that say? That says, I have. Now I'm going to write another word. Does anyone know what that word is? That is the word I've. Now, the word I have in written and spoken language can sometimes be put together to be in one word. So the words I have can sometimes be said as I've or written as I've. Do you notice what I've done to the words I have to change them to the word I've? I replaced the letters H and A with an apostrophe to make the word I've. So like I said, sometimes in talking and writing, the words I and have are sometimes put together to make one word. This is called a contraction. So I've means I have, just a short way to say it. Let's look at another one. I'm going to write some more words on the screen. I want you to think about what you see. Sorry, it's not the best handwriting. It's kind of hard to write with this computer. Okay, what do you see on the screen? That says we will. I'm going to write another word on the screen. Does anyone know what that word is? That is the word will. So we will can sometimes be shortened to will. Do you notice what I did to the words we will to make the contraction will? I replaced the letter W and I with an apostrophe to make it shorter to say the contraction will. You can use this word in a sentence like I can say, we will go to the store, or I can say, we'll go to the store. It means the same thing. So that is the contraction will. We're going to look at one more contraction. I am going to write the words on the screen. Okay. Think about the words that you see on the screen. Sorry, kind of hard to write with this computer. All right. What does that say? It is. It is. I'm going to write another word. Does anyone know what that new word says on the screen? It's. It is can be shortened into the contraction it's. Do you notice what I did to it is to change it to be the contraction it's? I took out the I and replaced it with an apostrophe. So now it is says it's. So you could say it is hot outside or it's hot outside. They both make sense. So we looked at 3 contractions today. I have can be shortened to I've. We will can be shortened to we'll. And it is can be shortened to it's. These are called contractions.